Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing a Chanel unboxing, and this one is part of a Chanel Holiday Beauty Set 2020, and I believe this was released during the Black Friday or Cyber Monday, I think, but I didn't get this online. I got this on a boutique, so I managed to get a hold of my sales associate, and she got me one of these, and I went ahead and picked this one up. So the package looked like this. The package looks so pretty. I love it, with the ribbon and also with this camellia flower in it. It looks gorgeous. So anyway, let's open this. So let me just untie the beautiful ribbon. I think once again the ribbon is actually made up of boucle tweed though. It is really nice. Okay, so the ribbon, and then she wrapped it on this really nice Chanel paper. So let me just open this one on the side. Okay. Oh, very nice. Oh, the paper that came with it is also reversible. This one is in gold. Really nice though. Okay. So, let's see. I have a feeling that the box is just the same as the previous one. Yeah. It's just the same as the previous ones. This is how it looks. So let's open inside. Let's see. So this is a Good to Glow makeup set. So here's the pouch. So this actually came in with the red holiday pouch. Really nice. I still can't get over how pretty this pouch is. It's so beautiful. So anyway, let's open the inside and see what came in with this set. So there's actually 3 inside. So this one, I believe that this one is the lipstick, the Rouge Cocoa Flash Hydrating Vibrant Shine Lip Color. So, oh wow, look at that. Oh, look at that one. Very nice. I wonder if my camera is picking up though. Let me see. Look at that. It's in, wow, very nice. So this one is the Rouge Cocoa Flash 54 Boy. And then this is the color. Wow, more likely this one is more likely a nude color. Really nice. So this is the first item. So next item is, so the next item we have, let's see. Oh, this one is Blanc Rosy Light Drops. The Blanc Rosy Light Drops. And this is more likely a facial liquid highlighter to enhance your skin. Really, yeah, it looks really nice though. And also the packaging has weight to it. So that's the second item. So we have the lipstick here and also this highlighter. So next we have this one. Oh, the mirror. So this one is the Miroir Double Facette, and oh, it actually came in with a really nice dust bag though. Really nice. So this is just a mirror. Really nice. So this is a dual mirror. So both sides has a mirror. And yeah, really nice. So these are the 3 items that came in with this Good to Glow makeup set. So my sales associate were telling me that this was released, I think, if I'm not mistaken, as far as I remember, on Monday, and this was sold out on the website in a matter of minutes. So completely sold out. Probably a lot of people have already been waiting for this to be released, but I have already contacted her prior to the release on the website, and I'm surprised that she was able to get set aside on this set, because I really wanted to get this set as well. But I don't know if actually if it's worth it. But well, I know that you could purchase each of these. This one, the lipstick, the mirror, and this one, the Blanc, actually the ROSY light drops. You can actually purchase this one individually, and I think the mirror is, I believe this is $42 on the website. And then this ROSY light drops, this one is $50. And then the lipstick number 54 boy is $38. So this is 42 plus $50 equals probably, yeah, 42 plus 50, that was $92, plus this one is 38. So pretty much it's $130. So pretty much for all these 3 is $130 if you purchase this individually on the website. But on the website, you're not going to be able to get this because this is complimentary. So yeah, unfortunately, you cannot buy this pouch individually. So yeah, you could just actually create your own in any of these beauty makeup on the website. But I know that a lot of people wanted to get this pouch. It's because you could actually turn this pouch as a crossbody. So if you guys, I did a video on how to use this Chanel pouch, how to turn this pouch as a crossbody. So I'm probably gonna have to put the link over there. So I have the link right here if you're interested in how I turn this into a crossbody, a camera bag. So I've actually showed in that video and how I could just easily transform this as a crossbody bag. But anyway, so this one came in with this beautiful, beautiful red pouch. And so speaking about the crossbody bag, I have here the black one from my previous purchase, and I actually attached this brooch in here, and also with this beautiful chain, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks just like a real Chanel bag. It is so cute. So let me just try to put one of my brooch to see how the red looks. So I just attached the brooch in here. So I think it looks great with the brooch. So this brooch has a crystals around it, and also with this this one is in gold hardware, and also with this pearl around it. I think it looks gorgeous with that. Very nice. So that's how it looks, just to give you an idea how it looks with the brooch in it. Plus, you're gonna attach the chain strap right here in the corner, and I think it would look stunning. And you could just wear this one as a clutch like that, as a cosmetic case with the brooch. Makes it look stunningly beautiful. Wow. I don't know if I put it in the center though. I'm probably going to have to move this one a little bit because it's probably not in the center. But just to give you a little bit of an idea on how I use this, it looks absolutely amazing with the brooch. So yeah, that's how I use it. So yeah, this is pretty much in my unboxing on this beauty set. So I'm just sharing this with you guys of what's inside the Good to Glow makeup set. And I know, unfortunately, this has already been sold out. I know that the previous release with several they have a lot of different makeup that came with it, and also with the lipsticks as well, and all kinds of stuff though, but they sold out. Pretty much they sold out. And the only thing that I've seen right now probably is the eye cream and a gold pouch in it, but I think that was $370. But this one, with this set, I actually paid, let me just see. Yeah, I paid this one is $132 plus tax, so I paid $144.54. So $144.54. But if you just purchase this one on the website individually, so this would cost you all these three for $130. Plus, of course, you have to pay tax, but without the pouch. But I know people just really wanted to get this set. What makes this set attractive is because of the pouch itself. So yeah, unfortunately, this has been sold out. It's sold out so fast. A lot of people are actually waiting for these to be released on the website, and it was sold out completely in a matter of minutes. But anyways, that is all for my unboxing today. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video, please consider subscribing on my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye.